In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pictures move in CapCut. Whether you're creating eye-catching animations for a social media post, enhancing your video project with dynamic visuals, or just experimenting with creative edits, learning how to animate images is a great skill to have. CapCut is an intuitive and powerful video editing tool that makes this process straightforward, even if you're just getting started. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create smooth, professional-looking image animations step by step. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open CapCut on your device. Once it's loaded, click on New Project to get started. This will open up a blank workspace where we'll build the animation. Next, you'll need to import the video you want to use as the background, along with the image you'd like to animate. Simply drag and drop these files into the media bin. This is where all your imported clips and assets are stored for easy access. Now add both the video and the image to the timeline. Start by placing the video clip on the lower track, as this will serve as the background for your animation. Then take the image and place it on the track directly above the video. This layering ensures that the image appears on top of the background video, which is key for animating it effectively. Once the image is in your timeline, click on the image clip to select it. You'll see a preview window where you can adjust its size. Resize the image by dragging the corners until it fits just right for your project. This step is important because it lets the image stand out while keeping the composition balanced. You don't want it to overwhelm the screen, so adjust the size thoughtfully. Now, position the image in its starting location for the animation. Think of it as the image's home base, the point where the movement will begin. Use the preview window to drag the image to the exact spot you want. Next, drag the playhead to the point in the timeline where you want the animation to begin. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the timeline, and moving it sets the starting time for the animation. On the right side panel, locate the Basics section. Under this, you'll see options for transform, which include properties like position, scale, and rotation. These are the settings we'll animate. To start, click the diamond icon next to the property you want to animate. For example, if you want the image to move across the screen, select Position. This diamond icon creates a keyframe, which marks the starting point of your animation. If you're unsure where to click, hover your mouse over the icons. CapCut provides helpful tooltips to guide you. Now, drag the playhead forward to the point in the timeline where you want the animation to end. With the playhead in place, move the image to its new location in the preview window, or adjust its scale or rotation depending on the effect you're going for. This action creates a second keyframe, which marks the end point of the animation. The movement between the starting and ending keyframes is what creates the animation. If you want to add more complexity, you can repeat this process to create additional keyframes. For example, you might want the image to move to one corner, scale down slightly, and then rotate. Experiment by adjusting the position, scale, or rotation at different points in the timeline to get the exact movement you're looking for. Once you've set up the keyframes, play back the animation to see how it looks. This is a good time to check if the image moves smoothly and whether the timing feels right. To refine the animation further, right-click on the image clip in the timeline and select Show Keyframe Animation. This will open the Keyframe Graph Editor, which allows you to tweak the animation path. Using the Graph Editor is a great way to smooth out the motion and make it look more natural rather than robotic or abrupt. Inside the Graph Editor, click on the keyframe markers and select Auto Curve. This option adds easing effects to the animation, making the movement feel more fluid, like how a car gently accelerates instead of starting abruptly. These easing effects are subtle, but can make a big difference in the overall polish of your animation. Finally, you can manually adjust the curves in the Graph Editor to fine-tune the motion even further. Sliding the curves will either create soft, gliding transitions or sharp, snappy movements, depending on your style. Don't be afraid to experiment here to find what works best for your project. Once you're happy with the adjustments, play back the video again to make sure everything looks polished and professional. Take a moment to admire your work. You've just created a moving image animation in CapCut. And that's how you animate pictures in CapCut, by layering your clips, setting keyframes, and refining the motion with easing effects. You can bring static images to life and add a dynamic touch to your videos. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.